everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact OpenAI. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Go and open up a web browser to get started. Go to the URL box as soon as you do that and type in openai.com and press enter on your keyboard. From the main homepage, click on the API link at the top right. Log into your account like you normally do. And once you're logged in, from the main homepage of OpenAI, go and click on the help link at the top right. You can now start a conversation by clicking on send us a message and go ahead and select some of the options that is pre-existing at the bottom right. You can go ahead and choose a topic in order to start a conversation. That is how you can contact OpenAI. If there is any issues going on and you would like to find the support for it and you would like to resolve your issue, I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.